If you're seeing the Opera error 4000, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting method that can help when a page won't load properly, a video won't play, or Opera is acting up because of browser settings or cached data. By the end of this video, you'll know how to refresh Opera, clear the right data, and get things working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera on your computer. Once the browser is open, look at the top left corner and click the Opera logo. This opens the main menu where you can access the browser settings. From there, go to Settings. If you prefer, you can also use the shortcut to get to settings faster. But in this video, we'll follow the menu so it's easy to understand. Inside Settings, scroll down and click System. This section controls how Opera runs behind the scenes, including performance options and browser hardware settings. Now look for the option that says Use hardware acceleration when available. This setting can sometimes cause display issues, playback problems, or loading errors, especially if your graphics driver is not fully compatible. Toggle this setting off. Once you switch it off, Opera will ask you to relaunch the browser, so click Relaunch. This step is important because the change won't take effect until Opera restarts. After Opera opens again, go back to the left panel in Settings and select Privacy and Security. This section is where you can manage browsing data, cookies, cache, and other website information that may be causing the error. Next, click Delete Browsing Data. When the pop-up appears, change the time range to All Time. This makes sure you clear out everything that could be interfering with Opera instead of only deleting recent data. Then, check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the two most important items for this fix because cookies can store broken session data and cache can keep outdated files that prevent pages from loading correctly. Once both boxes are selected, click Clear Data. After that, go back to the tab where your video or page was showing the error and reload it. In many cases, this is enough to fix the Opera error 4000 and get the content loading normally again. If the problem was caused by a corrupted cache or a browser rendering issue, these steps should resolve it quickly. If it still doesn't work right away, try closing and reopening Opera once more. Then test the page again. Sometimes a fresh restart helps the browser fully apply the changes. So to recap, you opened Opera, went to Settings, turned off hardware acceleration, relaunched the browser, then cleared cookies and cached files from Privacy and Security using the all-time range. That combination fixes a lot of common Opera loading problems and is one of the fastest ways to troubleshoot error 4000. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another browser error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.